Skelo was established in 2014, boasting a 600,000 square meter production base and a 4,500 square meter international exhibition hall. That same year, it entered major domestic e-commerce platforms including Alibaba, Tmall, and Jingdong.com. As a tile factory integrating production, online and offline channels, and customization. It offers diverse tile categories such as ceramic tiles and stone slabs, with robust production capabilities, first-class manufacturing equipment, and high-efficiency output. Through continuous adoption of new technologies, processes, and equipment, including world-class fully automated production lines, Skelo has established a global marketing and service network. At the same time, we have earned the trust and acclaim of numerous buyers, building a strong brand reputation and a comprehensive after-sales service system. We are confident that through our relentless efforts and pursuit of excellence, we will achieve a bright future.